Here's how this works. Water, salt, and pepper, those are freebies. Your pantry, it better have flour, oil, vinegar, mustard, and garlic. Beyond that, you'll only need 5 more ingredients and 25 minutes to put an entree or entire meal on the table. So, shop, set the clock, and let's dish out. We'll start off with some store-bought pizza dough. I prefer the Pillsbury roll, but you can get some from the deli section if you like. Some really good quality pre-made pizza sauce, some Italian seasoning, some pepperoni, or really any fillings of your choosing, and of course we'll need some cheese. I've got some mozzarella, which we will grate because we would never use pre-grated cheese. We'll grab all that and get to work. So first things first, we're going to roll this dough out, try and get it into as even a shape as possible, and roll it out until it's roughly 1/4 of an inch or so thick. Then, depending on the size you want your final pockets to be, you can cut this into 4 or potentially even 6 rectangles. I'm going with 4 for a nice large pocket. Next up, you'll lay down some cheese on half of each rectangle of dough. We don't want to cover it completely, just on one half. Make sure you leave some room around the edges as well so we can seal those up. Put down maybe a tablespoon or a heaped tablespoon of sauce. Spread that around as well. We're going to shake on some Italian seasoning for extra flavor. And then lay down a few pieces of pepperoni. And once again, you could use any kind of pre-cooked sausage. You could skip the meat altogether, put some veggies in there. This is totally customizable with whatever you have on hand or would like to put in there. Just make sure it's already mostly cooked so it doesn't come out raw out of the oven. We're going to fold that over, lining up the edges, and use a fork to very thoroughly crimp each seam, and then use a knife to open up a steam vent. We'll pop these in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 425 until they are golden brown and bubbly just like that. If you're using convection, you might want to turn your heat down to 400. But nevertheless, once they are golden brown, give them just a few minutes to cool off because these things are definitely going to be nuclear on the inside. I'm going to garnish mine with a little bit of parsley and then a little bit of shaved Parmesan cheese, just really for the thumbnail, totally optional. And I love these for a lot of reasons. I mean, they're super simple to make, they're delicious, they're gooey and cheesy. Again, very customizable. They're great to make if you have kids that you want to have help you in the kitchen, but you don't want them around really sharp knives or hot pans. So it can really be a great thing for the whole family to make together and make their own. Look at that cheese pull there. Obviously, it just tastes like pepperoni pizza, nothing new under the sun. We're not reinventing the wheel here, but man, it tastes really good. And again, so easy to make, so cheesy and satisfying. Hope you'll give these a try. Pair it up with a nice side salad or fresh vegetable for a quick, healthy weeknight meal. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you will try these and let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. But most importantly, just go make something delicious.